Guys, welcome back to the Crypto Bull Channel with your host, William. And as always, this is not financial advice. So if that's why you're here, hit the road, Jack or Jackette, whatever the case may be. So make sure you do your own research, guys. If you'd like to try Kalshi perps, you can trade $50 using my affiliate link down below in the description to receive a bonus, subject to eligibility, of course. And today, let's quickly talk about leverage, shall we? Leverage is one of the most misunderstood tools in trading. And on Kalshi perps, you can choose a multiplier. Multipliers increase your market exposure, meaning they amplify both potential returns and potential losses. That means relatively small market moves can have a much bigger impact on your gains, but also on those losses. This is exactly why leverage should be used carefully. It doesn't improve your trading strategy, it simply magnifies the outcome of whatever decision you make. And if the trade goes your way, returns are totally amplified. If the trade moves against you, losses are also amplified. So if your risk isn't managed correctly, liquidation is totally possible. And that's why many experienced traders focus on position sizing and risk management before thinking about leverage. Used responsibly, leverage can be a useful tool, but understanding the risks is just as important as misunderstanding the rewards. Guys, my name is William. This is the Crypto Bull Channel. I'll see you in the next one. Stay classy. Peace.